Hey there, folks!
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products in the market. Today, we've got something for those pesky ant invasions that can drive you crazy. ORTHO Ant Traps Indoor by ORTHO Home Defense. These little traps are the best way to kill ants indoors, and I'm going to tell you all about them in this video.
So, let's dive right in. First off, let me tell you why ORTHO ant traps are the best solution for your ant problems.
These traps are not just your ordinary ant killers. They're designed to be effective, safe for pets, and easy to use. If you've been dealing with ant trails and mounds in your garden, you know how frustrating it can be. But ORTHO Home Defense Max is here to save the day. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes these ant traps stand out. The ORTHO ant traps come in a pack of 10, ensuring you have enough to tackle even the largest ant infestations. They are made of metal, making them durable and resistant to accidental spills.
Plus, they're pet-friendly, so you can use them without worrying about your furry friends.
So, how do these traps work?
Well, ORTHO ant traps targets the entire ant colony by delivering a potent ant poison.
It's not just about killing the worker ants you see. It's about eliminating the queen and the entire nest.
Once the worker ants feed on the bait, they return to the nest, contaminating it and wiping out the colony within 24 hours. ORTHO's ant killer is not limited to just one type of ant. It's effective against various species, including pavement, acrobat, pyramid, white-footed, little black, and Argentine ants. You won't need to buy different ant baits for each type. ORTHO has you covered.
Now, why is it crucial to get rid of ants? Well, ants can cause structural damage to your property, spoil your food supply, and even set up nests inside your home.
With ORTHO ant traps, you can tackle these problems head-on and get your ant-free property back.
To sum it up, ORTHO Ant Traps Indoor by ORTHO Home Defense is your best bet against ant invasions.
They're easy to use, value for money, and safe for pets and kids.
If you want to protect your property and eliminate ants once and for all, ORTHO is the brand you can trust.
And remember, if it doesn't work, they offer a satisfaction guarantee.
That's it for today's review on ORTHO Ant Traps Indoor. If you've had enough of those unwanted guests, give these traps a try. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more fantastic product reviews, and leave a comment if you've used ORTHO ant traps before or have any questions.
Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay tuned for more great product critiques. Until next time, happy ant killing!